Good morning, students. Our today's topic is addition and subtraction of metric units of length. Let us start with exercise 9.2. You can see we have question number 2 here. Write in vertical form and find the sum. You have to find out the sum. So see, we have a part. It is 564 kilometer, 156 meter, then 125 kilometer, 414 meter, and 415 kilometer, 102 meter. So we have to add these three numbers. Okay, so always remember one thing: when you are adding or subtracting in with some units, then always arrange them according to the units. See, I have arranged in this question in two ways. First of all, I have written the units here, kilometer and meter. Then I have arranged these numbers according to the given units. You can see it is 564 kilometer and 156 meter. So it is 564 and 156. Then I have 125 kilometer and 414 meter. So 125 I have written below kilometer and 414 below meter. Then 415 kilometer and 102 meter. Again I have arranged these numbers according to the units, 415 kilometer and 102 meter. So when you are arranging these numbers, always maintain the distance between the given units. See, and you can also arrange these numbers like this. See, 564 kilometer and 156 meter. I have written the units along with that numbers. Okay, so you can write in both the ways. So now we will solve. So it is very simple to add or subtract the metric units of length. It is same as that we have done before. Okay, simple. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 and 2, 12. So 2 will be there, 1 will be carry over. Now 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1 6. Now move to this part. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Then 1 will be carry over here. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10. So there will be 0 and 1 will be carry over here. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 4 is 11. So you have got the answer. It is 1104 kilometer and 672 meter. Now I am taking your question number 4, that is subtract by writing in vertical form. Now you have to subtract. First of all, you will write in the vertical form. Vertical form means you have to arrange in the columns. So see, I have taken here B part. You have to subtract 85 kilometer, 785 meter from 200 kilometer. So you have to subtract this one, 85 kilometer and 785 meter from 200 kilometer. So you can see there are meters are also given and there are no meters. It is only 200 kilometer. 200 kilometer, that means we have 000 meter. So we will arrange 200 kilometer and then 000 meter minus this 85 will be here kilometer and 785 meter. Now we have to subtract. So subtraction is also done in the same way that we have already done. You can see there we have 000 meter. So we cannot subtract this 785. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from these kilometers. So we are borrowing 1 kilometer from here. 1 kilometer we are borrowing. So if we are taking 1 kilometer from 200 kilometer, so what is remaining? That is 199 kilometer. That is remaining. And this 1 kilometer is going to this side, that 1 kilometer, but this is meter. This is given in meter. So what we have to do? We have to convert this 1 kilometer into meters. That is, you all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So it will become 1000 meter because these are all 000. Now we can solve, we can subtract 785 from 1000 easily. So see, now we will subtract. First we have 0. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0. See, so we will borrow from this place, but again we have 0. So we have to again borrow from here, but again we have 0. So we will borrow from here. It will become 0. It will become 10. Then we will borrow from here. It will become 9. And now it will become 10. Again borrow. And it will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. And this is only 0. Okay. So these are meters. Now come this side. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. And this is 1 minus 0. There is nothing. That means 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is kilometer. So your answer is 114 kilometer and 215 meter. I hope you all understood how to add or subtract the numbers. Now we will take one problem sum. See, I have taken question number 5 from a roll of 130 meter long electric wire. A piece of 18 meter and 75 centimeter is cut. Find the length of wire left in the roll. So first of all, see what is given here. 130 meter. What is 130 meter? That is the length. 130 meter is the length of the wire. Now 18 meter and 75 centimeter. So what is 18 meter and 75 centimeter? That is the length of the piece that is cut from that wire. Now you have to find out the length of the wire left. You have to find out the length of the wire left. So you already know you have to find out the left number. That means you have to subtract. So see, you have to write down the statement. So first of all, length of roll of wire. What is the length of roll of wire? That is 130 meter. And now length of a piece cut. What is the length of a piece? That is 18 meter and 75 centimeter. You can see it is given in meter and centimeter, and there are no centimeters. That means there are 0 centimeters. Now you will write length of wire left. So you will subtract both of these numbers. So see, again we have 0 centimeter here. We cannot subtract 75 from 0. So we have to borrow from here, but this is meter and this is centimeter. Unit should be same. So we will borrow 1 meter from here. So if we are borrowing 1 meter, so it will become 129 meter. We are borrowing 1 meter. So it will become 129 meter, and this 1 meter goes this side. So you already know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So it will become centimeter when it comes to this side. So it will be 100 centimeter. Now we can subtract. So you can see again we have to borrow here. So it will become 0, then 10, again borrow, it will become 9, and it will become 10. Now you can do 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, and this is only 0. So 25 centimeter. Now move to the other side. 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is only 1 minus 0, that is 1. So your answer is 111 meter and 25 centimeter. So how much wire is left? 111 meter and 25 centimeter. I hope you all understood how to solve the problem sums. So please complete your work. Thank you.